students. Today again in physics class. In previous lecture we have studied about the relation between electric field and electrostatic potential. Okay, that is E is equal to minus del V upon del L, where del V is the change in the potential and del L is the displacement. So del V upon del L is also called the potential gradient. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about the potential energy in an external field. Potential energy in an external field. There are two cases here. First is potential energy of charge Q. If there is one charge and the potential is V, then potential energy U is equal to QV. Okay, where V is equal to ED, where E is the electric field and D is the distance or displacement. In that case, if we say Q is equal to E, in that case, if we say Q is equal to E means electron. So what is the charge of electron? The charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, and if we say V is equal to 1 volt, V means potential, potential is equal to 1 volt, then what will be the potential energy? The potential energy U is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into 1, because it is QV, Q is this and V is this, so U is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. And what is the unit of potential energy? The unit of potential energy is joule. Okay, so 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule is also called 1 electron volt. Fine. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule is also called 1 electron volt. And this unit is basically used in three types of physics. There are many branches of physics. So 1 electron volt or electron volt unit is used atomic physics, nuclear physics, and particle physics, that we will discuss later. Okay. So now come the second case is potential energy of system of two charges. In this of charge Q, in this system of two charges. If we talk about system, then at least two person should be there. Two or more person can be there, but at least two person should be there to make a system. So here we are discussing about potential energy of system of two charges. So if two charges, then one charge is Q1 and second charge is Q2. The distance between these two charges is R. Okay. Then the potential energy U is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. Fine. And you all know 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into the whatever the unit. Fine. So basically these are two formulas, and on these two formulas we are going to discuss a numerical here. Okay, this is the numerical. The numerical is determine the electrostatic potential energy of a system consisting of two charges 7 microcoulomb and minus 2 microcoulomb with no external field. Field means here electric field, not the field of farmer. Okay, not the field of cricket. The field is here electric field. Placed at minus 9 centimeter, 0, 0 and plus 9 centimeter, 0, 0 respectively. So first we will solve the first part. So I am going to rough this. A part, let's suppose everybody knows this is the coordinates. Okay, so what is this axis? This is x-axis, this is x dash, this is y, this is y dash. Okay, so the charge is placed on these 2 points. It means x-axis is there, but y and z is 0. So this is the direction basically. This is the direction. this is point B. This is, let's suppose, minus 9 comma 0 comma 0, and this is plus 9 0 comma 0. Fine. The distance between, the charge at A is 7 microcoulomb. So Q1 is 7 microcoulomb. So if we change it in coulomb, then it will be 7 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Similarly, here at B, the charge is minus 2 microcoulomb. So it is minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Fine. So here we are seeing there are 2 points A and B. At A the charge is this, and at B the charge is this. So, and this distance is 9 centimeter, and this distance is also 9 centimeter. So the total distance between A and B is what? 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is 18 centimeter. Fine. So 18 centimeter in meter will be 18 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So it will be 0.18 meter. Fine. Now, so here we can see, if we make the diagram separately, so here we will find out this is A, this is B, and this is, the charge is Q1. Q1 is 7 microcoulomb and Q2 is minus 2 microcoulomb. It is minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, and this is 7 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. The distance between A and B is what? 18. 18 centimeter, and 18 centimeter is equal to 18 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Fine. So now we will go through the formula. We know the formula of potential energy of system of two charges. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. So here R is this. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Q1 is what? 7 into 10 to the power minus 6. Q2 is what? Minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. And upon, what is R? The R is 18 into 10 to the power minus 2. Fine. Now we will solve this. 9 2 are 18. 2 and 2 cancel. Now it is 7 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power 2. Now 7 into 10 to the power 9 plus 2 minus 12. So it will be 7 into 10 to the power minus 1, and that is in minus because of this minus. So it will be 0.7 joule. Fine. So in first case, potential energy U is equal to 0.7 joule. That is the answer. Now we will go with the second part. In part B, how much work is required to separate two charges infinitely away from each other? Here they are saying there are two charges there are 2 points A and B, and A, the charge is Q1 is equal to 7 microcoulomb and Q2 is equal to minus 2 microcoulomb, but the distance between these two charges R is equal to infinity. The distance between these two charges R is equal to infinity. So here, if we use this formula, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R, so it is 9 into 10 to the power 9, it is 7 into 10 to the power minus 6, and it is minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. And what is R? R is infinity. So 1 upon infinity is equal to 0. So here U or W is equal to 0. So in second case, B, W is equal to 0. This is the answer of second part. Now we will go with the third part. What is the third part? In third part, they are saying, suppose that same set of charges is now placed in an external field E is equal to A by R square, where A is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 centimeter to the power, coulomb meter to the power minus 2. Then what will be the potential energy configuration? So here you have noticed one point with no external field. Here is no external field, here external field is there. And the value of external field is A by R square. Fine. So if there is external field, then V is equal to, I have told you, V into R. So it is A by R square into R. So V will be A by R. And R is what? R is 9 centimeter. Means 9 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So in that case, we have two charges, na? We have two charges because same set of charges is placed into this. So one is 7 microcoulomb and second is minus 2 microcoulomb. So first is Q1, that is 7 microcoulomb. It means 7 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Fine. So due to this, U1 is equal to Q1 V1. U1 is equal to Q1 V1. And Q1 is 7 into 10 to the power minus 6, and V1 is what? A by R. Fine. Similarly, U2 is equal to Q2 V2. Q2 is what? Q2 is what? Minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. So minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 into V2. What is the value of V2? The value of V2 is A by R. Because V1 is equal to V2 is equal to V. Fine. Now, total potential energy, if we talk about equivalent potential energy, equivalent potential energy U is equal to U1 plus U2, or here we have find out in A part U is equal to minus 0.7 joule. That you can find out in the previous part of video. So here we will say U without external field, W. So plus U W E. What is the value of U1? The value of U1 is 7 into 10 to the power minus 6. And what is the value of U2? That is minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. Or we can say U1 is equal to 7 into 10 to the power minus 6 into A by R. And what is the value of U2? That is minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 A by R. And this is minus 0.7 joule. Okay. So now come here. U is equal to, the common is A by R between into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay. A by R and 10 to the power minus 6 is common between these two terms. So we have taken this common. Now in the bracket it is 7 minus 2 minus 0.7. So what is the value of A? The value of A is given in the question. The value of A, or we can make it constant as it is. The value of A is given in the question, and I have wrote the question. Okay, fine. So what we have to do, A by R, the value of R is 9 into 10 to the power minus 2, and this is 10 to the power minus 6 into 5 minus 0.7, and it is a by 9 and 10 to the power minus 6 plus 2 into 5 minus 0.7. The value of A is given in the question 9 into 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 into 5 minus 0.7. 9 and 9 will be cancelled, then it will be 10 into 5 minus 0.7. So it will be 50 minus 0.7. So it is 49.3 joule. So now this is the final U. Okay, in first case, when we find out the potential energy, that is because of without external field. In second case, we have find out the work done when the distance between these two charges is infinity. So in that case, W will be 0. In third case, they are saying that the same set of charges is placed. The same set of charges is placed in an external field where E is equal to A by R square, and the value of A is 9 into 10 to the power 5. So in that case, what we have done, E is equal to A by R square, A is equal to 9.5. So we have find out the V. Okay, and due to we have find out the potential energy of Q1 charge, we have find out the potential energy of Q2 charge. Add these, and the equivalent energy will be the addition of these two energies plus the energy that has been of these two system of charges. Okay, so this is what you have to do. You have to go through the whole lecture. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can WhatsApp me on my personal number, or you can post in Instagram, WhatsApp, whatever you want. Okay, on the school channel. So thank you for today, and keep learning and do your best, and watch the Bhumi Pujan of Sri Ram today. Thank you.